turning it on. Ah, that's it. Wow, it looks like a stereo speaker. Really nice. So it's definitely not loud at all. So this unit has a auto shutoff function. It's 750 watts. It's enough for a small office or a small bedroom. Today we are reviewing the SAI ceramic heater radiator. It's 750 watts. It's enough for a small office or a small bedroom. 120 watts. The really cool thing about this, it is really tiny, small, and compact. So you can put this on a shelf and it's not going to stick out. So let's open it up. You can pick this up from Home Depot or online on Amazon. We got this for $21.99 Canadian. It comes in various colors, pink and white. Okay, so this is the back. Wow, it looks like a stereo speaker. Really nice. It's got a base. It's made out of plastic. The front is aluminum. The heater is right in there, so you can see the rad. High temperature, keep electrical cords, drapes, and other furnishings at least 3 feet from the front at the top of the heater and away from the sides and the rear. If your heater shuts off, turn control to off. Unplug the unit, wait 30 minutes, plug in and operate. So this unit has a auto shutoff function. All you need to do is unplug it, wait 30 minutes and plug it back in. Here's the power light. Let's turn this on. We're gonna connect this. So it's definitely not loud at all. Immediately, it starts heating up immediately. So let's see how long I can hold my hand on this. Turning it on. Ah, that's it. It's burning, burning, burning. Okay. Very nice and hot. So I'm about 12 inches, 24 inches, 36 inches. So this will definitely heat up your room or a small space in no time. It's much more heat than for just your feet or your hands under the desk. So you could turn this on in the bedroom and it will definitely heat it up. It gets super hot really, really quickly. There is a plastic trim around here. It looks great. Put this on a shelf. It's nice and quiet. Again, this is the SAI ceramic heater. You can find this Amazon or Home Depot. Look in the description below for the links to the latest prices. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.